Hi, this tutorial is about Maya nerve curves. You can create nerve curves from here or just go to create curves tool, click curve. There are 6 different nerve curves in Autodesk Maya. First one is CB curve, the next is EP curve, Bezier curve, pencil curve, 3-point circular arc, 2-point circular arc. I will discuss about all of the curve. First I tell about CB curve. CB curve, see, just draw like this. Press enter. This is CB curve. Right click, click control vertex. See, all the vertex or of the CB curve situated or stand on the convex side of the curve. See, this is concave side and this is convex side. The vertex is situated on the convex side. See, this is convex side and this is concave side. Now let's try with EP curve. Go to create curve tools, select EP curve, just draw, press enter, right click, control vertex. See, for the EP curve, the control vertex also situated on the curve path line. See, this vertex and also this vertex, these 4 vertex are situated on the curve line. But for this CB curve, all the vertex are situated outside of the curve line on the convex side. See, if you search on Google the difference between CB curve and EP curve, see, this will show this. The only difference between these two is EP curve tool control vertices lie directly on the curve. See, EP curve vertices remain on the curve line, but the CB curve always fall on the convex side. CB curve's control point. See, again go, right click, click edit point, control vertex, and see. This is the difference between CB curve and EP curve. Now go to object mode, select these 2 curve, press delete, again go to curve, CB curve, open CB curve tool option. You can also customize the curve degree, 1 linear. If you click on linear, you can create a linear curve. Press enter. See, this is linear curve. You can do this the same for the EP curve. See, linear, click, this is linear. Double click if you, this is the properties of the CB curve and EP curve. Press delete. Now next one is Bezier curve. Just click here, Bezier curve. Click 1 point here, 1 here, just click and drag. See, you can make it concave and convex, which side you like. Just click and move this handle. See, press enter. Now right click, go to control vertex. You can control this curve shape with this handle also. You can select this vertex, you can customize the shape of the curve with the vertex or just with the handle. See, now again select the curve, click 1 point here, 1 point here, and click. See, the Bezier curve, you can customize it as you like. See, or press X to snap to grid option, turn on and click. This is the properties of Bezier curve. Now select and press delete. The next one is pencil curve. Just select this and draw how you draw the pencil tool in Photoshop. Draw how pencil draw. This will create a draw line. Sorry, this will create a curve along the draw line. See the curve. See, you can convert the curve into a polygon. Just now go to generate. Now go to generate curve utilities. Click attach brush to curve. This will create polygon. It is not a polygon, it is a paint effect creation. Now select this, go to modify, click convert paint effect to polygon. See, this time it is a polygon. You can assign new material or customize color as you like. Just right click, assign new material, select font or which material you like, change the font color to red or which color you like. See, the curve is also converted into a polygon. Now select these two curves, press delete. The next one is go to create curve 3-point circular arc. That means if you click 3 point on the grid, this will create a circular arc shaped curve. See, 1 point here, 1 here, and the last one here. See, a arc shaped curve is created with this 3 point. Now press enter. You can convert it to a polygon. Go to generate curve utilities, attach brush to curve. See, you can do the same as we created polygon with the pencil curve. Now press delete. The last one and the next one is 2-point circular arc. That means if you create 2 point, this will create also a circular curve. See, press enter. You can create or convert curve into polygon with the previous effect. You can also do the same for the CV and EP curve. I will show you. See, this is for 2-point circular arc. Press delete the curve. Now select the CV curve, just draw, press enter, go to generate curve utilities, attach brush to curve. See, you can do the same for the EP curve. Create curve tool, EP curve, reset the tool, draw, press enter, generate curve utilities, attach brush to curve. See, press delete the curve. This is the properties of the curve or Maya NURB curves. You can extrude all the curve just select the curve and draw it, press enter. Now select the nerve circle and rotate it 90 degree along x-axis. Just type 90 degree along x-axis. Move it here. Put it here and also here. Rotate it just like this. Now first select the nerve circle and shift select the curve. Go to surface, click extrude, open the extrude option, select add path, profile and polygon, triangle or quads which you like, the polygon count, click extrude and see a polygon is created with the nerve circle and the pencil curve. You can do the same for all of the curve, that means CV curve, EP curve, 2-point circular arc, 3-point circular arc and the Bezier curve. Thanks for watching and don't forget to subscribe my channel.